I oath myself, those who have deprived me from my salary, always I will be sound against those companies who are deprived me from right salary which I expected according to NI policy in UK. Bangladesh and Indian companies created a new wages rule in UK against rules of UK Home Office's rule. These companies employer always makes their employee wages payment by cash at reduced rate. It has made contradiction situation between the workers and employer. Therefore, the worker always deprived from their right what they have wanted and what has in the rules of wages of NI policy under rules of Home Office UK rules. Thank you very much.